Let's learn how to find BEP-20 address. I will show you this tutorial on PC with application, but the method is very similar, so you can follow up with any other device, even with your phone. Without any more delay, let us start by opening Binance. Make sure you stay logged in. To do this, we'll have to go to wallet first. You can click here, or you can go all wallet and then go fiat and spot, that second in a row. Now new tab will open. You will have to click on this deposit icon and then click on deposit crypto. Now select coin. You can select USDT instantly or go here. Select network. For network, you will have to find this BNB Smart Chain. That's actually BEP-20. Okay, so select it, and now you'll get the address. This will be your address. You can copy, you can send, you can take photo of it, and you're done. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.